Core system libraries failing because of the Vaultcli.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we dive into the Vault client troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Vault client. It manages the storage and retrieval of credentials in the Windows Credential Manager. It handles the secure API calls for stored browser passwords and network keys. If missing, Windows will fail to remember user logins, and apps like Outlook will prompt for passwords on every launch, citing a Credential Vault failure. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Vault client. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Vault client file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Vaultcli.dll from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Vault client optimization concepts. If you've regained access to Vault client thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.